Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets opened with a gap up, and then the markets pretty much stayed in a consolidating range and a sideways range, right, with some volatility. And Nifty, if you see, was definitely way more stronger, right? And we also discussed it yesterday that if we want to buy, we want to buy in Nifty, and if we want to sell, we want to sell in Bank Nifty, right? But yes, over here, if you see, except for this candle, pretty much there was no momentum throughout the day. That one candle was the only momentum, and the same thing in Bank Nifty also. There was this momentum, and then rest of the day was pretty much flat. So what can we do over here? Very simple. See, now there are two things that can happen in the market. I'll go to the daily charts and show you guys. If you see, market is coming down. Right now market has come down to this support, and now the market has taken a bounce back. Two things can happen. Either the market will come down a little bit, right, and not break this previous swing, and then make kind of a double bottom pattern and start to move up, right, from here, right? Maybe take a pull back till 44,500 or 44,800, all these levels, and then maybe start moving down or just consolidate in this range. That's one scenario. The second scenario is market goes down tomorrow itself. Market, if the selling is very fast and if the sellers want to sell over here, tomorrow itself we'll see market breaking this previous low of 43,850, right? If this low is broken, then pretty much hell has broken loose, and the next support is straight up 1,000 points below this swing at 42,800, and then further on we can see more targets coming in, right? But if tomorrow this support is not broken, then that means we could see a bit of a bounce in the market for the short term, and then we could decide where the trend is going to go. Same thing with Nifty also. If you see, Nifty also over here looking pretty strong, and if you see, Nifty has taken a bounce from this support zone over here. Right now, two things can happen. As I said, tomorrow itself market goes down and breaks this low, which doesn't look so like possible in Nifty, but in Bank Nifty, definitely it is looking possible that Bank Nifty could go ahead and break this low, right? But tomorrow itself, we will know, do we have to sell aggressively from this point, or do we still have to look for some sort of a support trade, right? Do we still have to look for some sort of a bullish trade? But what can we do for tomorrow is very simple. I'll go into the 15-minute chart and I'll tell you guys how can you identify where exactly the market is going to go. So for that, if say we open flat and start moving down, excuse me, yes, if say we open flat and start moving down from 44,120 to 44,000, this 120 point range will be very important. If you see any sort of a bullish price action being made in this range, you can go long from here, because if the selling has to happen, market will not show you any sort of a bullish price action. Market will just continue to move down without showing any sort of a bullish price action, only just showing some sort of a consolidation or maybe some sort of a pullback, and then continuing to move down. So if you are seeing that market is taking support from maybe 44,100, which is today's low, or maybe market is coming down, market fills this gap, and if the market is taking support from this zone, right, and making bullish price action, if you're seeing maybe a double bottom formation over here, then you can go and aggressively take a long position from here, and you can easily expect a first target of 44,200, and then the second target of 44,400, which may or may not come tomorrow itself. But yes, those are the targets that easily open up, and from there you can also expect a target of 44,700 from the upside, which is from where the selling had started in Bank Nifty, right? First of all, 44,500 also can be your target. So these are the small targets that you can go ahead and book. But yes, first target will be 44,200. From there you can also keep an easy target of 44,500 straight up, and then a target of 44,700, right? So as I said, selling will need to happen very fast, and 44,000, if you see that market is taking good support from 44,000, if you are seeing good buying coming in, some sort of a proper green candle being made near 44,000, even any sort of a price action, then you can go long from here very easily, because then it looks like the market will kind of make a double bottom pattern and then start to move up. When can we sell aggressively is only below 43,860. If 43,860 is broken, that is only where we will go ahead and sell aggressively. Our target will straight up be 43,600 on the downside. I don't think 43,860 will be broken, because there is still 400 points left over here, if you can see, right? And then the market has to move down. So even if 43,860 has to be broken, the best thing would be market waits over here itself, closes in this lower range, near this lower range of 43,000, maybe closes near 43,900, 44,000 for one day, and then breaks it on Monday, right? That will be a way more better, a way better trade to take. Because if say market breaks it tomorrow itself, right, market comes down till 43,900, market has already traveled 300 points, right? Market would have already traveled 300 points for the day. Then breaking this low would mean that even more selling pressure has to come, right? Because of which there may be traps that can be made over here, and market might just break this low and then reverse again back up, right? So even if you are taking a trade below 43,860 tomorrow itself, which I don't think will be a good idea. I think if market breaks this low on Monday, that will be the best. If that happens, then keep your stop loss very tight. Don't keep more than 80 points of stop loss, because if the market has to go, it will go very fast and it will not even respect this low, right? But if the market has to stay, it will probably go down below this low and then exactly reverse, just going after below the low, right? So anyways, that was for bank nifty. Nifty, as I said, is way more stronger, and in nifty 19,450 will be very important. 450 to 400, this 50-point range will be very important. If market comes down to this range and then makes any sort of a price action over here, you can go long again from here with first target of 550 on the upside, and then the second target you can easily give 19,600 to 620, and then further targets on the upside, with this trend line. You can also go ahead and plot this trend line and keep a target over here also. I'll just open it in the 1 hour chart. Yes, if you see this trend line is coming over here, so market might go back up till this trend line and then maybe take good resistance from there, or spend some time near this trend line and then break out above it, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today. And as I said, market could be making a double bottom pattern, or this is just a pullback and market will continue its sell off. Tomorrow itself we will get to know what is going to happen in the market, and if we are going to see some recovery or we are going to see a continuation of the fall. So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.